The infamous egg explosion in the microwave. Don't worry, I've got some tips to help you eliminate the smell. 1. Clean the microwave. Wipe down the interior with a damp cloth, paying attention to any egg residue. Use a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar to remove any remaining egg bits and neutralize the smell. 2. Baking soda. Place a small bowl of baking soda inside the microwave and let it sit overnight. The absorbent properties of baking soda will help soak up the smell. 3. Lemon juice. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into a microwave-safe bowl. Heat it for 30 to 45 seconds, allowing the citrus scent to fill the microwave and combat the egg smell. 4. Activated charcoal. Place a small bag of activated charcoal inside the microwave to absorb any lingering odors. 5. Ventilation. Leave the microwave door open for a few hours to allow fresh air to circulate and help dissipate the smell. 6. Microwave-safe deodorizers. You can purchase or make your own microwave-safe deodorizers, like a mixture of water, lemon juice, and spices in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat it for a short time to release a pleasant aroma. Remember to always follow safety guidelines when cleaning and using your microwave. Good luck, and may the egg smell be gone.